Welcome to this quick tutorial on the AceToolz Change Image Format tool. You can find it under Image Tools in the navigation menu at the top of the AceToolz homepage. This is the Change Image Format tool interface. Let's start by uploading our image file. It may take a couple of seconds to upload. As you can see, this is a very simple and straightforward tool with just one setting, the Convert to option. Since the image I uploaded is in JPEG format, I'm seeing all the other available format options including PNG, WebP, AVIF, and GIF. The tool automatically excludes your current format, so you only see conversion options. Please note that converting to certain image formats like PNG may sometimes increase the file size, as PNG uses lossless compression. Let's go ahead and select PNG as our target format and click the Convert Image button. The conversion may take a couple of seconds to complete the processing. Perfect. Here's our conversion summary showing the original and new file details. We can now download our converted image file. Try it out at acetools.com. Thank you for watching.